Hello and welcome to another masterclass. And today we are going to talk about video animation that you can use to earn money. Yan. So actually guys, maraming klase ng mga videos that you can use, and you can be like a video editor, or for example, in e-commerce or social media, you can create videos with stock images and stock videos, and then you can compile them to shoot physical videos for your clients' products. Like for my in my case, for example, I have a lot of videos that I created before, which actually dun ako mas familiar, no? I'm using Filmora as my video editor, and then I use that for my own projects. I personally do my own videos because I love doing videos. That's why when I found out that there is a very nice tool where we can use animated videos, I fell in love with this, and I want to show you how it's done. Now, just for full disclaimer before we start this video, I am new to this as well. Hindi ito yung typical na ginagamit ko. Like I said, I'm very familiar with Filmora, and yun yung main tool ko. Some people use Camtasia. Pero this time kasi I'm gonna show you a whiteboard and animation, and you can definitely charge a lot of money using this. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So now I'm still here on Fiverr, and here in video animation, look at this. Sobrang daming mga animation that you can use, and you can use this tool, Doodly, that I'm gonna be presenting to you in a few minutes. So look at that. Oh, you can do whiteboard, video editing, visual effects, subtitle, logo animation. So let's focus on the video and animated explainer, which I have here right now. Sorry. So let's focus on see, ito yung mga um video creators. Yan. Oh, meron siyang 1,000. Let's see here. This one. I haven't checked this freelancer just yet. Okay, so meron siyang 5 orders in queue, meron siyang 1,000 feedback. Ang basic na single niya for 30-second video. Look at this, oh. Wala pa tong 1 minute, ha. Pero the charge is about 6,000 already. So do you think you can do this? I'm gonna show you that you can. I'm gonna answer that question right now and say yes, definitely you can do this. The standard is 10,000 for only 1 minute video, and the premium is 15,000. So yung concept kasi guys will be coming from your client. Syempre, you have to interview the client. Anong niche nga, ano yung gusto niyang maging ma-achieve in creating the video. Plus, if they have a script. Now, you can actually do the script on your end. Additional charge yon. And there are tools that can create a script. Later on, we'll go ahead and talk about that. Pero I'd like you to know muna, paano ba yung animated sales or explainer video? Look at this one. If you have no idea how it works, let's play this video.
Nowadays, businesses are leveraging the power of explainer videos to grow and expand. An animated video offers the most effective way to promote anything and everything, including businesses, products, and services. But with most animators charging thousands of dollars for a simple 1-minute video, small businesses cannot take advantage of this. Hi, I'm Akash, a professional video animator with 7 years of experience. I'll create custom animation videos and work with a team that will take care of your video script, voiceover, animation, and background music. You also get full HD video, revisions, commercial rights transfer, logo addition, brand matching colors, and more. I have helped more than 1,500 small businesses across the globe to boost their sales with explainer videos. I can make you a custom professional animation video for much less money, much less time, and much better result.
Okay, so yan ang isang example ng explainer video. Let's try another one. This one I already visited his account a while ago, and it's a good one. So let's click on it.
Hey there, my name's Joel, and if you're looking for the best value in whiteboard animation, you just found it. That's because when you purchase from me, you're actually getting the services of my entire US-based team. You see, I started selling here on Fiverr more than 6 years ago, and I've completed more than 12,000 projects. That gives me an edge over anyone else you'll find here on the platform, and I've gotten the press to prove it. With this success, I have slowly built a small A team of creatives that now help me create these awesome videos and meet the high demand for our services. Together, we're called Jumpstart Video. We're all right here in the US. We have a wealth of experience, and we handle every aspect of your project from beginning to end. Simply put, there's not a better value for whiteboard animation anywhere else on Fiverr. So order today. Your satisfaction is guaranteed.
Okay, so that is an explainer video. Do you think you can do that? Absolutely. Now, I want you to look at this. This is only a 30-second video that he's charging, and he charges 18,000. Now, he is a premium freelancer, of course. But like I said in the beginning of our videos, lahat ng tao na to ay nagsisimula from scratch, from 1, 2, or 10 clients. What you can do is do this today, practice, make this something that you are an expert with, and charge as much. Look at this one. This person has an 18 orders in queue. So, you know me, I always compute kung magkano ang possible na kitain ng isang freelancer. Okay. So, that person has an 1,820 feedback, pagpalagay na natin. And let's say, ang basic lang ha, ang basic package niya is 18,000 times 18,749. That's 34,123,180. Ngayon, yung standard package na binibenta ni Kuya or yung offer niya for the project is 32,140. That is a whooping 58 million. How many of you would like to be a 58 millionaire, 58 million peso earner just by doing this? And I'm gonna show you how simple it is. It's not complicated because hindi ako ganun ka-expert ha. I just wanna show you na papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng isang Doodly video. Actually, Doodly is the software. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Possible na kumita ka dito like ayan di ba? May mga iba't ibang video animator. So you can definitely use this. Actually, I like this one. I fell in love with this and probably I'm gonna do this for my own business. So susunod, gagawa ako ng mga iba pang video and I'm gonna show you kung paano rin ako nag-excel, kung paano rin ako naging better in doing this. And I'm gonna create videos for my products as well using Doodly. So Doodly is a software which is paid. I paid this for $39 a month. Kasi parang naka-standard membership ako. So it's about 2,000 pesos in a month. Tama ba? Yung annual kasi nila is $20. So that is about 12,000. No? Pag 38 times, let's say 50 pesos. Yeah, 2,000. Roughly 2,000 a month na payment. And if you get the annual, at the time of this recording, it's $20. So makakatipid ka ng halos 50%. But that's about 12,000 pesos upfront. So medyo malaki, no? Medyo mahal. If you wanted to just go ahead and start muna with the monthly payment. Now, if you were going to tell me, Coach, 2,000 is a lot of money for me monthly, parang I can't afford that. Think about this. You are running a business now. At ang lahat ng businesses ay mayroong puhunan. Imagine, if you are a photographer, meron kang, ano yung mga kailangan mo as a photographer when you do your business? Siyempre, kailangan mo ng DSLR. And mababa yung 50,000 pesos for a DSLR, right? Usually, that's hundreds of thousands of pesos. So, meron ka talagang upfront investment. And I promise you, if you're good with this, if you make sure that karirin mo talaga yung field na to, 58 million pesos, di ba? ang laki nung potential earning by just doing this. So, that is an investment. And then, as you get more clients to do this with you, you will be covering all your expenses already because the clients are paying. But in the meantime, syempre, at the beginning, you have to exert a little bit more effort, parang puhunan, and then learn it as you go, okay? So that's the monthly payment ng Doodly. You can go ahead and check other websites as well and software. I'm not familiar with with the others, but I've seen competitors of this software, so you have the liberty to check that as well. Now, I'd like to talk to you about this. This is the one that I will be using as an example. So meron silang mga upsell, may mga add-ons lang sila like yung script. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ka ng mag-learn ng how to do a script, you're not a very good writer, and you wanted to charge clients on how you can create a script, you can do this. Kapag ka meron namang software that allows you to do voiceovers, you can definitely add this one. I bought this. It's a Doodly Rainbow to make the images colorful. Later on, you'll see why I bought this one. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So this is your main dashboard. The first time that you're going to buy Doodly, which is available for Windows and Mac, you can see all your projects here. You can see the templates that they have here. And then for your projects, you can see when was it created, when was it modified, length, and scenes. Actually, I created one right now, just an hour ago. Kaya lang hindi natapos yung recording, and I think that I have so many mistakes there as well. Like I said, this is the first time. Well, not the first time, but I'm not very good with Doodly, so I'm also practicing this. Good thing, ang lesson na gusto kong makuha mo ngayon is that I am not an expert on this, but I can create a video. But together, if we are going to practice this, and there are so many tutorials on YouTube nila, so follow Doodly on YouTube. There are about 67 videos na short lang naman, mga minimum of 1 to 11 minutes lang. I think the maximum was about 15 minutes na napanood ko, or less than that pa nga. Pero sobrang sobrang detailed yon, that paglaanan mo lang siya ng 2 o 3 oras, you'll be good to go. But let's go ahead and start with the basics. So let's create a video. There are 4 kinds of explainer videos that you can use in Doodly. One is the popular whiteboard. The other one is a chalkboard. Yung parang nagsusulat sa board na gamit ang chalk. Tapos ito yung glass. Parang glass yung sinusulatan. And the custom. Custom is you can definitely choose a color or an image. Let's say, for example, color or an image that your client wants you to use. So, for example, may branding siya. Yung brand ni client is about yellow or pink or whatever color that they have. You can use that, and the marker as well. For this video, let's use the whiteboard. You can also create the specs dito. So, if it's Facebook and Instagram post, look at this one, nagiging square siya. Kasi that's the recommended on Facebook. But for the purpose of this video, let's use 480p. I'm gonna use test vid number 2. So this is my second video for today. Okay. So, you will be brought to this next dashboard mo. At dito ka mag-create ng mga videos. So, this is where my videos yung kanina, and then pagbalik mo dito, okay, and then ito yung pinaka-timeline mo. So, meron ka dito sa baba. This is where you can see all the scenes that you have. You can add a scene. Ayan. Tapos, these are your settings. Dito sa setting, makikita mo dito kung actually, in the middle of your work, pwede mong palitan sa chalkboard, pwede mong palitan ng glassboard, depende. Tapos, you can also choose kung gusto mo ba yung nagsusulat doon sa video mo would be left-handed or right-handed. Is it a real hand or a cartoon hand? Ayan. Okay. Let's go with the real hand, and that's the very common. Ayan. So, maraming choices dito. Tapos, yung erase mode, pwedeng using with the finger. Like, mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo to kung ano yung ginagamit kapag finger, yung parang binubura ng finger yung mga images, or using an eraser, or pwedeng wala. Okay? Next is, the video will end kung how do you like to end the video? Is it when the animation ends, or when both the animation and audio end? Pero usually naman magpapantay naman yung you have to align the audio and the animation as well. So don't worry guys, if this is your first time here in doing and creating video, huwag kang matakot kasi I promise you I'm a beginner as well. And gagawin natin to together. Okay? All right. So ayan. Let's click on apply. Ito yung music. You can drag sounds and audio here going to this, and then this is where you can edit your voiceover. Now sa voiceover, you can record your own voice, or you can actually put a real voice over here somewhere. You can upload this, and then just go ahead and drag it here. So let's say for example, meron kang you don't want your own voice, pero you have a file from the client. You just drag that and then going here. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and start now. One thing, at nga pala, meron din dito sa kaliwa, sa kanan, where you can, later on makikita nyo naman to in action. So the scene setting, same thing din. Ang difference niya lang, dito kasi sa setting sa baba, this is for the overall video. Dito naman sa scene setting, yung kada scene, diba? Ito, meron ka mga scene, mamaya makikita ninyo yan. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Excuse me. I'm sorry guys, may sakit pa rin ako. I think I have an allergy or something. Anyway, what I saw from the Doodle YouTube video na I actually viewed it just a few days ago. The best way na hindi ka masyadong mahihirapan in creating this, syempre you have an idea, right? So you're going to ask your client or yourself, what is the main idea that you'd like to use in your Doodly video? Ano yung gusto mong ipakita? Now, you must have parang a framework or a guide na before you jump in here so that it will be easier for you. I would suggest that you put like a pen and paper to do that. Parang mag-brainstorm ka na what are the things that you would like to be seen on your scene. So, for example, this one. I created this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scenes that I wanted to show you. By the end of this video, I hope na maipakita ko sa inyo ito ng mas madali. So right now, let's say for example, this is me. My name is Joy. Ayan. So for example, this is the script that I have. Joy is looking to work from home. She tried on the internet and then she found our masterclass and then she enrolled. Ayan. So gagawin natin yan. Okay? So the first slide is this one. Mas maganda raw na meron ka ng audio file bago ka mag-input ng everything here. Kasi para hindi mag-adjust yung audio mo, your audio will not adjust depending on mabilis ba masyado, bibilisan mo ba masyado, or babagalan mo, na siya yung nag-adjust dun sa image. You know what I mean? Dapat yung image yung mag-adjust dun sa audio. Okay? But for the sake of this, let's just go ahead and put something here. Ito yung mga, anong tawag dito? Yung mga images that you can put in your animation. So there. Notice that these are all in color. When you buy Doodly in the beginning, hindi pa siya colored. Ito lang siya. Ito yung standard that you will get when you buy the $39 a month. And then, what I did, kasi parang mas maganda yung may mga colors, diba? I purchased an add-on which is $67. And so, naging colorful na siya. Oh, I like this one. Let me just put it there. Ayan. Nice, no? Pero parang hindi siya work from home. What I'm trying to think is parang work from home setting siya kasi yung script natin based siya sa work from home. So just go ahead and play around here. Ayan, so may mga house, eksena, ganyan. Ayan. Tapos, you can remove people. Like, say, for example, itong laptop, nare-remove naman siya. This is just the template, okay? Pero kung gusto mo ng manual, let's go ahead and do the manual. Papalitan natin siya. Pupunta tayo sa characters. So, delete muna natin. Actually, guys, this is the second time that I am recording this kanina. So, please bear with me. Maya-maya titignan ko kung nagre-record yung ating software. Kasi parang kanina I tried to record this, tapos hindi naman siya nag-record. Ayan, okay. So, sharing your screen pa naman. Okay, okay. So, bear with me if from time to time I will check our recording, okay? Just to make sure. Kasi mahirap mag-record tapos hindi naman pala na-save yung ginawa ko. Anyway, yan. So, ito yung characters. You can choose characters here. Kung ayaw mo nitong mga scenes na ganyan, you can do a manual. Yan. Okay, so marami yan. Just go ahead and play around this kapag you already have your purchase. I chose this character kanina when I was trying to do this. Let's go ahead and use her. Tapos ito yung mga props. Ito yung mga things around her. Okay. So you can actually search for that. Pwedeng plant. Kunwari plantita. So you put it here. Ganyan. And these are your texts. You can add your music here. And then you can still buy from the marketplace if you would like. Now, like I said a while ago, meron na tayong script na ginawa. What I'm gonna do is get the script. Kung mabilis sa inyo to guys, just repeat the recording kasi I'm trying to do this as fast as I can para hindi rin mahaba yung recording natin. Now, on the right side of your screen, you will see the preview of this scene. Okay, so sa settings, I can put their title. I'm sorry, or subtitle. Now, on every animation, you have an option where you would like it to swipe left or right or erase. Later on, makikita natin yan. Okay. And then, I'm gonna put the text. Nilagay ko yung subtitle, guys, para kasing meron akong teleprompter kasi mamaya magbabasa ako ng text. Put word wrap para hindi siya masyadong mahaba yung text mo. Ganyan. Now, I have two images here, a plant and our main character. You can invert. Maganda ba yan? Okay, sige, pwede din. You can drag para mas malaki yung image and smaller. You can edit yung path niya. You can zoom and then return. Okay? Now, oops, nasa third scene na siya. Lagay natin siya sa first scene. Yan. Okay, now I am going to record an audio. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work. Okay. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. Tama ba yan? Pakinggan ko nga. Preview. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. Okay. Nakita nyo? Ayan. Tapos, pwede natin, mamaya lilinisin natin ng kaunti yung ating mga audio file. Pwede rin sa simula, ganyan. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. Okay. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. Okay. Okay, stop na. Ayan. So, you can drag the audio and then kailangan pantay yung audio mo saka yung video mo. Kasi 'di ba magpapalit siya ng animation maya-maya. Now, I'm not satisfied here, pero sobrang basic nung ginawa natin. Definitely, you have all the time in the world para pagandahin yung inyong mga animation. We can put window. carpet ba? Parang gusto ko yung lagyan ng carpet. Oh, meron. Carpet. Okay. I'm not sure kung paano ko siya ilalagay. Anyway, baka maubos yung oras ko. Window na lang. So, bahala ka. Pagandahin mo yung itsura nung ano. So, drag mo lang siya doon. Yan. Kita natin. Ganyan. Okay. Now, I want you to look at this one on the right panel. Napansin nyo yung mga layers. These are called layers. Every time that I am going to add an image, nagiging layer siya. Tama? Pwede kasing siya yung mauna. Depende kung ano yung gusto mong unang maipakita dun sa video. Now, let's say for example, preview ko ulit ha. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. Nakikita nyo? Ayan. Napansin nyo na natapos na yung audio pero hindi pa siya tapos mag-drawing nito. What you can do is, pwede mo siyang i-timing like that, or kung gusto mo na yung mga things, preset na sila na hindi mo na sila kailangang i-drawing, like si character na lang yung i-drawing natin, tanggalin mo lang yung duration. Gawin mo lang siyang 0. Yung delay is kung gaano katagal i-drawing yung isang bagay doon sa scene mo. Let's say, for example, you want this, ganyan, 1.3 seconds na dinodrawing siya para mas mahaba yung time na mabasa. And then this one, 0. Pansinin mo lumiliit yung scene niya dito sa pinakababa. Kasi kumukonti din yung duration nito. So, let's go ahead and make this 2. Ayan. Okay. Preview. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. Okay. Late dumating yung dito na natin siya ilagay. Preview. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. Nakita niyo ba? 'Di ba? So, easy. Meron na tayong first slide. Now, lagyan natin ng medyo 2-second delay pagkatapos nung kasi parang mabilis nag-exit, 'di ba? Sige, preview ulit. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. 1, 2, exit. Okay, good. Now, next scene. How are you liking this so far, guys? You think you can do this? Absolutely. Kasi hindi ako marunong din, di ba? Very beginner din ako, pero nagawa ko. Wait, ano ba yung ginawa ko? Second video. Lalagyan ko ng subtitle. Kasi ito yung binabasa ko kanina. Pwede mo tanggalin yung subtitle mamaya. It's up to you. Tapos si Joy ulit. Lagyan natin yung character natin. Anong sabi dun sa script? So, babalikan mo yung script para maisip mo kung ano yung ilalagay mo. She tried to search on the internet. Okay. Pero, she's so scared of doing it wrong daw. Okay, so, pakita natin kunwari, ito, scared. Kasi yun yung sabi ng text natin, diba? Basic lang yung pinapakita ko sa inyo, guys, ha? For the purpose of showing it to you that it is really possible. Siyempre, may mga advanced tools ito na pwede nating gamitin. Pero dahil 1 hour yung ating video, pwede ko rin namang pahabain or continuation, no? Word wrap para magkasya siya. Tapos siguro table or sofa. Pauupuin ba natin siya? Parang hindi, no? Okay, just drag lang. Parang ang pangit naman kung wait lang, ah. Um Okay. I think palitan natin yung sofa. Let's say share. I'm just thinking at the top of my head. So, sa bahay siya, no? Okay. Try natin to. Pero hindi naman siya uupo. I don't know. I'm just trying to think of a design. O kaya bookshelf. Mhm. Yung mas maganda. Sorry, OC lang. So, dinadrag ko lang yung mga image. Okay, ganyan. Okay na yan. Baka maubos mo yung oras natin. Yan. Okay, record ulit tayo. She tried to search on the... ulit. Sorry. Parang late nagpakita yung ano. Delete. This is how you delete. Just click on X. Yan. Okay. Now, here. Record. She tried to search on the internet how to begin, but she's so scared of doing it wrong. Oops, napahaba. Preview. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. She tried to search on the internet how to begin, but she's so scared of doing it wrong. Okay. Nakita nyo? Ganun lang siya kadali. Now, may napansin ako dito. I don't want this to be drawn. So, naka-preset na siya. Tapos, ito gawin natin tong 2, 3, 1 second sa exit. Tapos, pwede kang magkaroon ng erase. Tingnan natin yung erase ha, kung paano yung animation niya sa dulo. Itong show preview na to, para dito. She's so scared of doing it wrong. Internet, how to begin. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. She tried to search on the internet how to begin, but she's so scared of doing it wrong. Okay, mali pa din. Dito. Ayan. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. She tried to search on the internet how to begin, but she's so scared of doing it wrong. Okay. See, nakita niyo yung ano? Nakita niyo yung eraser? Nag-appear? You know? Again, but she's so scared of doing it wrong. Okay. Next. Yun yung kanyang exit animation. Yan, pantay natin. Next, ang ating script, ang sabi niya ay, finally, she saw freelance to freedom. So, balik natin si Joy. Finally, she saw us. Maybe she's happy. Balik natin yung ano. Yan. Ito yung show preview kanina. Show preview, hide preview. Ito yung grid para, let's say for example, ito naman yung pagpapalaki ng tool niya sa gilid. Kung gusto mong align, let's say for example, may mga text ka rito, ganyan, you can use the grid para pantay-pantay sila. Yan. Tapos nagre-research siya online and then here's our script. Finally, subtitle, add a text, double click, word wrap. Lagay tayo ng design sa kanyang bahay. Ano ba? Let's see. Lagay tayo ng clock, for example. By the way, kung nakikita nyo, nag-auto-save siya every 5 minutes, I guess, or 1 minute. Yan. I set that setting. So, mauuna si clock. Ayaw natin siyang i-drawing pa. Preset na yan. Tapos, let's say, for example, ang duration ng pagsusulat, mga 3 seconds. 2 seconds si drawing si Joy. 2.5. Okay, let's see. And then, next is record. Finally, she saw Freelance to Freedom Masterclass. Sorry, bulol. Ulit. See, nakita nyo, ginagawa ko to raw, unedited with you. Yan. Finally, she saw Freelance to Freedom Masterclass and immediately enrolled. Yan. Nadidelay lang ako ng click ng end. Kaya minsan dapat 5 seconds lang nagiging 7. Pero syempre kung ikaw aayusin mo pa to, halok may mga butas. So, kailangan aayusin natin yan mamaya. Are we still recording? Okay. Okay. Tingnan ko lang. Okay, nagre-record pa siya. Just checking. Next. What are we gonna do now? Preview. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. She tried to search on the internet how to begin, but she's so scared of doing it wrong. Finally, she saw Freelance to Freedom Masterclass and immediately enrolled. Okay, pero parang masyadong matagal sa kanya. Siguro mga 1 second lang. Or 1.5. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. She tried to search on the internet how to begin, but she's so scared of doing it wrong. Finally, she saw Freelance to Freedom Masterclass and immediately enrolled. Hi! Nakat ko yata yung enrolled, no? Tama ba? Okay. We'll see. Yan. Sige, i-play natin ulit siya mamaya. Gawa muna tayo ng susunod na scene. Susunod! She was so thankful and happy. So, happy siya. Hanap tayo ng ibang character niya na happy. Ito, feeling wonderful maybe. You think we can do this better? Absolutely, guys. Yan. Tapos text. See, nakita niyo ba na paulit-ulit lang yung ginagawa ko? Word wrap. Later on, siguro magkaroon tayo ng mas advanced na class dito. As I do it as well. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano rin ako nag-improve sa paggawa ng video na to. It's so fun to do, 'di ba? And maganda to kasi nakikita mo yung progress ng ginagawa mo. Ayan. Okay. Hindi aligned, ano? Sige. Paano ba to? Isin natin. She was so thankful and happy. She earned her confidence that she can do this. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. She tried to search on the internet how to begin, but she's so scared of doing it wrong. Finally, she saw Freelance to Freedom Masterclass and immediately enrolled. She was so thankful and happy. She earned her confidence that. Kasi titigil siya kapag. Kasi yung nandito sa setting natin kanina, titigil yung video, titigil siya kapag. Saan na ba yung setting na yun? Somewhere here in this setting, sabi natin, the video ends when animation ends. Meron pang sobrang audio, kaya nakakat siya kanina kasi nag-stop yung video niya dito. Di ba hindi pantay? So, dapat pantay sila. Ayusin ko lang yung cursor. Wait lang guys ha. Yan. And then, mapapansin mo, syempre hindi pa to pulido, hindi to malinis na gawa. Napapansin nyo, may mga butas na ganyan. So, dapat ayusin mo muna din siya mamaya ha. Pero syempre, para lang mas mabilis tayo, nakita ko lang sa inyo yung paano siya ginagawa. Ano yung text. And finally, after weeks of preparation, okay. Pwede to, siguro, or flying. Parang happy siya. Balik na lang natin to. Siyempre, pag ikaw, pipili ka ng mas mga magagandang scenes. Right? Ayan. So, lagyan mo na lang ng mga design sa gilid, ganyan, para mas maganda yung itsura niya. Okay. Tapos, audio. And finally, after a few weeks of preparation, she finally landed on her first project with a great client. Okay, finish! Tapos lagyan na lang natin siya ng music. Ayan, pili tayo ng music. Ano John? Let's think kung pwede to. Okay, sige, pwede na rin. Yan. So, i-drag mo lang siya doon. Yan. And notice na mahaba to. So, what you are going to do is drag it para magkasya dun sa scene natin. Yan. Sa Filmora, I think meron tong way to cut eh. Pero dito parang wala akong makita. I have yet to check. Sa Filmora kasi parang makikita mo kung hanggang saan na lang siya, tapos auto-cut doon. So, splice mo yung audio. Malapit naman na. Wait lang. So, we created a 30-second video. Okay. Habain natin to. Tapos, fade out para nag-fade. Yan. Tapos kung masyadong ayusin na lang natin 'to mamaya, Tapos kung masyado namang malakas, if the music is too loud, you don't want that, dapat hindi nasasapawan yung voice over mo. Let's make it 15. Hi, meet Joy. Joy is looking to work from home for a while now. She tried to search on the internet how to begin, but she's so scared of doing it wrong. Finally, she saw Freelance to Freedom Masterclass and immediately enrolled. She was so thankful and happy. She earned her confidence that she can do this. And finally, after a few weeks of preparation, she finally landed on her first project with a great client. Amazing! There you go. Right? And then definitely you can save that. Yun, ganun siya. gawin natin together. Okay, I have so much yet to learn here. Here's the export kung gusto mong i-download yung video, MP4, tapos anong destination, ganyan. Okay? Pwede siya sa download. Lagyan natin sa desktop. Ayan. Okay, and then let's go ahead and continue. Yan, so nagre-render siya. So that's it, guys. I hope that I have inspired you on this. I love Doodly. Di ba? Ang ganda ng potential dito. Tapos, yun nga. And then after that, once you have created that, hanap kayo ng mga iba pang inspiration. Maraming mga animated videos sa YouTube. So create something like that on your own and then present it to your client. Okay? So I hope that I have helped here. Very, very basic, di ba? In just an hour or less, nakagawa tayo ng isang 30-second video. And that's it. I hope you learned something. I hope I inspired you. Let's do this together. Okay, I'm gonna use Doodly as well on my projects, on my Copify brand and other brands that I have on Ecom. So, and probably mag-apply din ako as a freelancer doing Doodly animation, video animation, because it's so cool. So good luck to you. If you like this video, if you resonated with this, definitely it's a must try, and let's go ahead and do this together. Okay, so I will see you on the next video.